What's up, everybody? Devin up here and I'm back, and today we got the Satechi an R2 media remote. And what this is supposed to do is supposed to link up with your device, being a phone or a laptop or whatever. And we're gonna unbox it, talk about the specs, what it's compatible with, and let's get into it. All right, so I got with me today is my 16-inch MacBook 2019. All right, so let's talk about the specs. So, multimedia presentation mode, USB Type-C charging, Bluetooth wireless, and rechargeable battery. Can't really die. All right, so let's unbox this. All right, so here it is, looking nice and beautiful. It's pretty small, definitely reminiscent of a Fire Stick, if anyone owns a Fire Stick or a Chrome remote. Alright, so here's pretty much the inside of everything. Here's the manual. We're actually gonna go over that. So this is actually USB Type-C cable. Here's the remote itself. So here's the directionals. So it looks like here is the play button, the volume button, the past and the forward button. Here's the home button right here. Of course, you got the speaker and mouse capabilities. You got left and your right, and also your mute and your keyboard. On the back, it looks like nothing. On the side, it's M and the P. I'm gonna get into that. So here's the power button right here. Here's the charge port, and here's the Bluetooth wireless. All right, so here are the functions of the whole remote, and we're gonna go over it. We already went over one as the key function table. So this part right here is actually this little black dot, a status indicator. It don't really say too much about it. Number 3, this M and P, which I was having issues with. I don't know what it is. So as you see, there's actually a M and a P, and that is a multimedia / presentation mode. So next I'm gonna connect to my laptop, and let's just see how it is. All right, so here's my laptop, and now I'm gonna actually pair it. So we're gonna go over it together. First, let me turn it on. All right, so now it's on, and now let's pair it. All right, so I'm holding it down. As you see, the light starts to flash. Now I was looking for it. All right, so I got it connected, and let's try it out. So, see, I change the volume. Next, I'm gonna hit next. What did you see? All right, let's try some other buttons. So here, let's try out the home. Okay, well that didn't work. Whole laptop just shut off. Oh, maybe the home button, I'm not sure what the home button is for. It just shut off my laptop. Well, oh, okay. So look guys, look, that's pretty cool. I've turned this remote into a mouse. So now this remote is now a mouse. As you see it, I'm moving along with my remote. I hope you guys can pick that up. There you go, see, moving up and down. That's pretty cool, that's pretty dope. So this is now officially a mouse. All right, so of course, now how the button works, the left is my clicker, of course, on the right is my options button as a regular mouse. So that's pretty cool. Let's go to max. Yup. It's working. Let me back it up a little bit. Yo, that's pretty cool, right? Guys, this is pretty cool. This is a pretty dope pickup. All right, guys, so that was the Satechi Samurai Sagittarius R2 remote. Here's the box of what it looks like. This is the brand new one that actually came out, I want to say last week, probably Saturday or Sunday. I got it 2 days after it shipped, so yeah, that's pretty much it. What do you guys think? The best feature that I like about it is how you can pretty much use this as a mouse. Of course, it's for the presentation features, so that's pretty cool. You can actually buy this. This is a cheap way to use this for, you know, presentations, school classes. You gotta get a little practice on it. As you see, I was having a little bit of an issue from it, but I think it was because I was too close. Like I said, if I backed away, I probably got better range, better quality of it. But as you guys see from up close how it worked fine, it worked easy. The moment I connected, it was great. Lastly, I'm just gonna run down the specs of it. So it's compatible from 2020 iPad Air, 2020 iPad to 2018 iPad Pro, 2020 to 2016 MacBooks. That goes from MacBook Pros to MacBook Minis, even the laptops. 5.0 Bluetooth connectors, and it comes with a 1-year warranty, manufacturer, and sadly, it doesn't really say anything about the battery life, which, you know, is very important, but I'm sure if you just keep it on the charger, you should be okay. Great multimedia device. I give it a thumbs up. You guys should definitely get it if you guys need it for your personal purposes, and I say it's a great device. But all right, guys, this is definitely up 3. Subscribe to me for more videos like this. I kind of just do things off the rip. I got goals today, you got goals today. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos like this coming soon. And I'm out.